Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to place the integers on the number line. In this video we will learn how to compare the integers. Our today's topic is comparing integers. Here a number line has been shown. 0 is placed between the number line. We start from 0. If we are moving towards the right side of 0, we use plus sign with all the numbers. For example, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. But if we are moving towards the left side of 0, we use minus sign. Negative sign is used with the numbers if we are moving towards the left side of 0 on the number line. Like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. All the numbers are in an increasing order, but the numbers are with the minus sign. We use minus with all these numbers. 0. 0 is less than all positive integers and greater than all negative integers. For any two numbers on the number line, the number on the right side is greater than the number on the left side. I repeat, on the number line, every number that is placed on the right side is greater than the number that is placed on the left side. Here a number line has been shown. Some of the numbers are placed on it. We can see that the numbers that are placed on the right side on the number line are marked with plus sign, and the numbers that are placed on the left side of 0 are marked with minus. Here we have two numbers and we will compare them. Which one is greater, 0 or minus 1? As we know that the number that is placed on the right side on the number line is greater than the number that is placed on the left side. 0 is placed at the right side and minus 1 is placed on the left side. So which one is greater? 0 is the greater than minus 1. 0 is greater than minus 1. Here a number line has been shown and some of the numbers are placed on it. Here we have two numbers, minus 2 and minus 3. Which one is greater? Can you tell me? You can see on the number line and tell me which one is greater. As we can see that minus 2 is placed on the right side and minus 3 is placed on the left side. So which one is greater? Very good. Minus 2 is the greater because this is placed on the right side and minus 3 is placed on the left side. Here we can see that two of the numbers are given, minus 2 and minus 5. Which one is greater, minus 2 or minus 5? Minus 5. Is minus 5 greater than minus 2? No. As on the number line we can see that minus 5 is placed on the left side and minus 2 is placed on the right side. So which one is greater? Minus 2 is greater. Which one is greater? Minus 2 is greater than minus 5. Here a number line has been shown and two of the numbers are given, plus 3 and plus 2. Which one is greater? Plus 3, plus 2. Which one? You can see on the number line and tell me. If we see on the number line, plus 3 is placed on the right side and plus 2 is placed on the left side. So which one is greater? Plus 3 is greater than plus 2. Plus 3 is greater than plus 2. Here we can see that two of the numbers are given to us, minus 2 and minus 1. Which number is greater? Minus 2. Is minus 2 greater? If we see on the number line, minus 1 is placed on the right side and minus 2 is placed on the left side. So which one is greater? The number that is placed on the right side is greater. Minus 2 is smaller than minus 1 and minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Which one is greater? Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Here we can see that minus 10 and minus 8. Which one is greater? Now students, you will tell me. Which one is greater? Minus 10? Minus 8? Yes, on the number line you can see. Which number is placed on the right side? Minus 8. Which number is placed on the right side? Minus 8. And which number is placed on the left side? Minus 10. Now you will tell me which one is greater? Yes, minus 8 is greater than minus 10. Minus 8 is greater than minus 10. Arrangement of the integers. Some of the integers are given and we will arrange them in ascending order from smallest to the greatest. Here we can see that minus 12, 0, plus 12, minus 6 and plus 1 are given. If we start from 0, how many numbers are greater than 0? There are two numbers that are greater than 0. And how many numbers are smaller than 0? There are two numbers that are smaller than 0. We will place them, we will arrange them from smallest to the greatest. If we start from 0, which two numbers were greater than 0? Plus 1 and plus 12. Which one we will write after 0? Plus 1 or plus 12? On the number line, plus 1 comes before plus 12. So we write plus 1 and then it comes plus 12. Now we will place the numbers that are smaller than 0. We have two numbers, minus 6 and minus 12. Which number we will write? We will write minus 6. If we arrange the numbers on the number line, we will see that minus 6 comes after the 0 and then it comes minus 12. In this video, we have discussed how to compare the integers. In the next video, we will learn divisibility test. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.